So we're in Lavender Hill in Overcome Heights today, and the project is intent on protecting about 300 structures from fire or against fire through the application of this material in a specific grid configuration to try to protect the structures, and the real focus is to prevent the spread of fire throughout the settlement. Informal settlement fires is one of the highest disaster risks identified in the city of Cape Town, and of course the Fire and Rescue Service is the primary and lead agency in fighting these fires, and they need as much time as possible to respond and to actually do an intervention to save life and to save property. In terms of the protection of this material against fire, it increases the resilience of the structure against fire about 20-fold. So it just buys that much more time in terms of the fire response.
Vermiculite is a natural, let's call it an element, a mineral that they find in Phalaborwa. It's a byproduct that comes out of a mine over there that is essentially copper mining. So it's the first layer of material. It's typically, it's blasted, so they put dynamite into it. They then extract this product. So it's a completely natural, safe product. It's also used in animal feeds and agriculture. We are demonstrating to the community and to the city of Cape Town as part of a project that we are running how easy it is to apply our product called TechRock to informal settlements. What's going on in the background there is they are mixing the product called TechRock through normal cement mixers and then basically applying it by spraying the material onto a prepared informal structure. It's part of a pilot project with the city of Cape Town that we are rolling out, and the idea is to between today and the 16th of December to cover as many informal structures as possible. At the test in Epping, it was all a controlled fire test. The informal structures were completely burnt down and had collapsed within 6 to 10 minutes. The structures with our product on it basically lasted 2 hours. Right? The fires then had to be put out because the structures were still intact. So what we certainly demonstrated there was that the structural integrity of the structures remain intact. Most of the fire spread when the structures start falling across, so they fall from one to the next, and typically, as was described earlier, windy conditions. Our product, once the structure is covered, will contain the fire, which then gives enough time for the active fire protection people to come out and put the fire out.